So you just got your brand new iPhone 16 Pro and you shot some Apple log footage and it's time to convert it to Rec 709. You head over to Apple's website to search for conversion LUT, but it's nowhere to be found. Apple didn't provide one. But worry not, because I got you covered. In today's one, I'm going to show you how to easily convert your log footage to Rec 709 inside Premiere Pro almost automatically. Let's dive in. So we're going to work with these clips here, and you can see they are washed out and colorless. So to convert them, go to the workspaces and switch to the color tab. In here you can see edit and settings under the Lumetri. Go to the settings, open the project settings, and you can see auto detect log video color space. Just check this and boom, our color is back. And to make sure that we convert it properly, just select the clip and go to the sequence clip, and under it you can see color space conversion Apple log Rec 2020 to Rec 709. So we know that we converted properly. Next thing that you want to do is change the tone mapping method. If you want to get the maximum RGB, so maximum color from your video, you can change it to max RGB. Usually I'm leaving it by channel. It's good for the log video. And under you can see this exposure. Basically this works exactly the same as the exposure in your camera, and it's much more accurate. So if you messed up your exposure, it's better to play with this slider instead of the Lumetri's exposure. So this is basically how to convert your Apple log to Rec 709. And if you want to know how to create smooth speed ramps in Premiere Pro, you should watch this video next.